All right, woman, welcome to video reading, okay? So yesterday we talked about two things, and they're really not literary devices, but they kind of fit in here. I talked about denotative and connotative meaning of like words and phrases. So for instance, our first slide that we're making is denotative meaning, and feel free to pause this at any time to copy the definition and stuff. Remember to use your own examples though. The meaning of denotative meaning is, it is the meaning of a word or phrase that's literal, like what you'd find in a dictionary. So an easy way to remember it is dictionary denotative. So if I use the example, this party is lit, I mean the dictionary definition of lit, as in like on fire. So if I say this party is lit, it means this party is burning down, okay? And if I say Slade's a boss, I mean like, that means he has employees. If I look up the word boss in a dictionary, I'd find it means like the person in charge who has employees he bosses or whatever. And so like if I said Mickey's the goat, okay, that would mean he's a four-legged creature that eats grass, okay? That's the denotative meaning, all right? And then we went on to talk about the connotative meaning. And connotative meaning is the emotional meaning connected to a word or phrase. So if I use those same examples, when I say, this party's lit, I mean really fun, okay? It doesn't have to be on fire. Not the connotative meaning, because that's kind of the slang one, you know? And then the other example is Slade's a boss, meaning he's awesome, okay? Or my example that I also said about Mickey, if I said Mickey's the goat, I mean greatest of all time when I'm talking connotative meaning, okay, the slang one. Do you get the difference? Go ahead and copy my definitions, or come up with ones that make sense to you that say the same thing, and then come up with examples. Again, you need 2 examples for each, with 2 images for each example. I miss you, girl. We'll see you soon.